From dailyforex.com's trading desk, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming April 6th Forex session. It's actually a non-farm payroll Friday, and in front of you is the Euro US dollar. As you can see, we recently had bounced a bit and then fell, predicated on the minutes coming out of the Federal Reserve that suggested that quantitative easing really isn't in their thought process at this point in time. And as such, it appears that the dollar should raise rates quicker than the Europeans will. The Europeans came out in the last couple days and have said that the economy does look quite dour, so this just reinforced it. A couple hammers got broken and we fell. Now we approach the 130 level, which I see as pretty significant support, but with the non-farm payroll Friday coming, this could be a bit of a mover for this pair moving forward. My initial thoughts are any spike in this pair based upon that announcement should be sold, quite frankly. I see support and resistance at 132.50 to 133. As such, I think any move that spikes it up closer to that will more than likely be sold on first signs of weakness. However, what I find even more interesting is the 130 level, and if we can get below that on a significant daily close or even a 4-hour close may be enough to continue to sell, and at that point in time I believe that we see 126 in fairly short order. This could be predicated on reverse psychology in some sense, as this pair historically rises with a good job number because that means people want to take more risk. But with Europe having all of the problems, a good jobs number could actually send this pair falling. That might be the initial knee-jerk reaction in fall that I was thinking of. If we get that, it may be the old standard of buy risk as the job numbers look so good. But people think about it for a minute, and they will think about the fact that Europe has many problems going forward, and they'd rather be in the United States, especially if the United States is producing jobs. As such, again, I will watch 130 as it is very important. 132.50 to 133 for resistance, and fade anything that looks like a quick knee-jerk reaction showing sometimes some type of failure or weakness at higher levels.